Welcome. Today, we will take a brief journey into the life of the great thinker and poet, Mevlana Jalaluddin Rumi. Mevlana was not only a poet, but also a philosophical leader and a mystic. Let's get to know him. Mevlana was born on September the 30th, 1207, in the city of Balkh, located within today's borders of Afghanistan. His father was Bahauddin Veled, a scholar himself. Due to the Mongol invasion, the family migrated to Anatolia and settled in Konya. Mevlana followed in his father's footsteps, receiving education from some of the leading scholars of the Islamic world. However, a turning point in his life occurred when he met the mystic Shams Tabrizi. Shams completely transformed Mevlana's worldview and life. The profound connection between them inspired Mevlana's most famous work, the Masnavi. Mevlana established the Mevlevi order to spread his teachings to a wider audience. This order is known for the Sufi dance ceremony known as the Sema, which continues to this day. The Sema provides a spiritual experience through the rhythmic dance of whirling dervishes. Mevlana is renowned for his deep thoughts on love, tolerance, and unity. His teachings possess universal values that have influenced not only the Islamic world, but also the entire globe. His words continue to leave a lasting impact on people's hearts. Mevlana Jalaluddin Rumi is remembered throughout his life as a teacher who emphasized love and understanding. His words inspire people to this day and are read around the world. Let us not forget that Mevlana's legacy reminds us that a life filled with love and understanding is indeed possible.